Hey guys, it's Sam, and today we're making cotton candy slime and just normal slime and a bath bomb and a Play-Doh kitchen creation. Let's get started. First, we're gonna start with a slime, guys. Let's start with this cotton candy one. It's like a cotton candy, guys. This is a slime and it looks like cotton candy when you stretch it. Make this slime, and all you need to do is add water. Comes with, and the stuff is inside of it. This is the surprise charm, and it's a unicorn. These are the instructions. This is what you make this slime with. First, we're gonna add the slime powder and the glitter. water it to the fill line. And that is right there. we're gonna shake it for 30 seconds. Make sure the lid's on tight. Then we'll shake it for 30 seconds. Now that it's all mixed up, we're gonna wait 5 minutes. See you then. Guys, it's all done, and look how it looks. It's so pretty and green and sparkly. Now let's put this charm in. There it is, guys. Let's get on to the bath bomb. This is the packaging for the DIY bath bomb. Scents that you can get, and there are berry, vanilla, and tropical. And it comes with one surprise figurine, and all you have to do is add water. Let's see what's inside. Think that we got the berry scent, and it's pink. This is citric acid. This is everything. These are the molds. This is the little packaging, and that's the charm right there. There's sprinkles in it and the instructions. Let's start making this bath bomb. Now we're gonna put this charm in. Then we'll cover it up. Now we're gonna wait 2 hours to let it set. While we're waiting for the bathroom, we're gonna make the Play-Doh kitchen. These are the things that I got. First, we're gonna put the bread on, and then the meat, and then the tomatoes, and then the lettuce, and then the cheese, and then the onions. I'll put some mustard on. The other piece of bread on. That's our finished sandwich. And I'm making a breakfast plate, so let's put on the waffles. Then we'll put on the sauce. And then the butter. And then the strawberries. And then the bacon. And that's our completed breakfast plate. These are our finished foods. This is the finished bath bomb. This is the other side. Hey guys, this is the end of the video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Bye guys!